Welcome to my channel Technical Arcoen. Today's topic logic gates. So go for it. Now today's topic logic gates. Okay, logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. Okay, the relationship between the input and the output is based on the certain logic. Here, Boolean functions have been practically implemented by using electronic gates. Okay, in Boolean algebra, actually these three functions or operation is used actually. First one, this symbol is known as OR operation. This symbol is known as AND operation, and this symbol is NOT operation. Actually, you can think about that. OR operation is actually the addition, AND operation is actually the multiplication, and NOT operation actually the complement. Okay, and there is a two value which will need to do the Boolean operation. What? One is your 0, which means false, and another is 1, which means true. Okay, so we had just draw this particular table. For at first we do the OR operation. OR means what I am saying? Plus. So 0 plus 0 means 0, 0 plus 1 means 1, 1 plus 0 means 1. Now 1 plus 1 should be 1. There should the most important case, means somehow we know that 1 plus 1 means 2. Actually what happened? This is not a binary addition. It is a Boolean addition. Means when both value are true, then the output should be true. Okay, this should be remembered. Means there the value is not other than 1, it's only the 1 means true. Okay, now we do the AND operation, right? If 0 into 0, then we got 0 as output. When 0 into 1, we got 0 as output. When 1 into 0, we get 0 as output, and when we do 1 into 1, we got 1 as output. Clear? And now when we are doing this NOT operation, means if we are using on 0 this NOT operation, then what we will get? 1, because it's just complement. And when 1 is there and we are using this NOT operation, then what we will get? 0. Okay, now the basic building block gates are actually these three. In electronics there is a three actually the basic building block gates. What are that? AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And I am already told in Boolean algebra this three operation is already there. OR operation, AND operation, NOT operation. Actually these three operations are implemented into these three different gates. Means OR operation is done on OR gate, AND operation is done on AND gate, and NOT operation are done in NOT gate. Okay, now we discuss the AND gate first. So what will be the block diagram for AND gate? The block diagram should be like that. Okay, and here we take two inputs, one is A, another is B, and output is Y. Okay, I am already told that AND gate follows multiplication. That means A into B. Okay, and what will be the truth table? What will be the truth table for AND gate? Right. So here I am just draw the table for AND gate. I am just dividing this two part, one for input and another for output. Okay, and here we are taking input here 2. What it is? One is A, another is a B, and the result should be A into B. Now you put the value. If 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1, this is the combination for two input. So when 0 0, the output should be 0. When 0 1, output should be 0, and when 1 1, the output should be 1. How? 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0, and 1 into 1 1. Okay, and this is a block diagram of AND gate. Clear? Now the next logic gates is OR gate. Now we draw the block diagram for the OR gate first. So it will be like that. Okay, and the same way there is a two input, one is A and B, and the output will be suppose Y. And what would the operation? Addition. We already told that OR is going for the addition. And now I am drawing the truth table the same way. So we first divided this two part. One part is your input and another part is your output. Okay, and now the input have these two part. What they are? One is A and that is B, and what will the result? Y equal to A plus B. Now we put the value. What the value? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now we just calculate 0 0, output will be 0. Why? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1, 1. I am already told that this statement or this line should remember very carefully. Why? Because this is a Boolean operation, it's not a binary operation. Clear? And this is a block diagram for OR gate. Now the next logic gate is NOT gate. Now we go for the block diagram for the NOT gate. So it will be like that. So again, if the input is A and output will be what? We already told, NOT means complement. You can write in that way also, or you can write in that way also. Any one you can follow. And what will be the truth table? Here input is 1 and output is 1, right? So that's why we have take only one input and this is your output. So we have just put the value here. What is your input? It is A, and what will be your output? A complement. So if 0 is there and if 1 is there only. If A is 0, so output will be 1. If input is 1, so output will be 0. Okay. So this is the truth table for NOT gate, and this is your block diagram for NOT gate. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic, and next session we will discuss about the other gates like NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR. Okay.